Hi, I am Tushar Jarwar and I am the founder of Career Earth. Your resume is not getting shortlisted. You are getting rejected. Truth be told, it only takes 6 to 8 seconds before 75% of the resumes are rejected. Imagine your entire years of work being evaluated in less than 8 seconds. How does that feel? Very important to understand that rejection is not something that we are happy about, and you are not getting rejected. Something is wrong in the resume which needs to be fixed. So when people come to Career Earth and tell us we have been rejected, we say, sir, please, not rejected. You've just been given another opportunity. Let's try to seize the next one properly. Rejection and acceptance are relative terms, remember? They are not the ones that define your career. Your career is not defined by I got accepted, I got rejected. It sounds very hollow to say that. So some of the things that we see is what I want to talk about in this video. So one day a person came, I was reading their resume, I was trying to help this person, and this read something like this. And I've got this here with me. It says, handled a team of 5 people to complete the work on time. Think about the word handled. Do you remember about that suitcase? The suitcase had a handle. It reminds me that somebody is picking up a suitcase and putting it in the drawer or putting it on the conveyor belt at the airport. A few minutes later, I again found down written here, completed a course on financial modeling and valuation. So I looked up to this person and I said, but you are looking for a job in marketing, aren't you? But this financial modeling and valuation? The response was shocking. Sir, पेपर भरने को कुछ नहीं था. कॉलेज में somebody had made me do this, तो मैंने लिख दिया. I thought finance and marketing में कुछ तो interconnection होगा ही होगा. Of course होगा. All the financial products are sold. You need sales people and marketing people to sell the financial products. Then I had a resume from a person who had been in the industry for 20 years. Traveled 5 countries, worked on several ERP projects, talked to CEO and CFO, and so on. What do you think is missing? Today, a lot of people are getting laid off, especially in the tech sector because of the AI revolution. And I get these kind of resumes very often. That, sir, ab kya kare? And my question to them is, have you truly found your calling? Have you asked yourself that यही करना है आपको, IT, coding, finance, sales? Have you introspected a bit? And the answer is often, हाँ, मैंने सोचा है, मैंने देखा है, मैं कर चुका हूँ, मुझे मालूम है, मेरे friends ने बोला है, and so on and so forth. Stop. This is where all the confusion arises. And because all the confusion arises here, finding clarity is a bit of a challenge. So the first things that we make people do is record their voice. आप अपनी स्टोरी बोलो, मस्ती से बोलो. ये फोन पकड़ो, अपनी वॉइस को रिकॉर्ड करो. बताओ मुझे क्या जानना चाहिए आपके बारे में. Think of me as the interviewer asking you, tell me about yourself. And I am going to record what you are saying. So phone पे लोग recording करते हैं. And while they are recording it, they often ask me to stop the recording. नहीं सर, ये नहीं बोलना था, ये बोलना था. So they stop the recording and they re-record it. What is happening here? A clarity is developing. The person himself or herself is beginning to think, who am I? What am I projecting to the world? How is the world perceiving me? या आप भी कर सकते हो. एक रिकॉर्डर पकड़ो और अपना स्टोरी लाइन रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू करो. After we finish recording, what we do is we take those recordings and we use a transcription software to put it all in language so that we can read and give the person in front a copy and say, why don't you take a look at what is important for you? ये लो एक highlighter पकड़ो और highlight करना शुरू करो. what is important, what is not important. And as this person does the highlighting on their resume, many times you find people pausing and thinking, अच्छा मैंने ये बोला, नहीं, I didn't mean to say this, I meant to say something else. ये क्यों हो रहा है? आप तो बोल रहे हो कि आप सब जगह रेज्यूमे से अप्लाई कर रहे हो, लेकिन अब आपको श्योर नहीं है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो. इसलिए हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ क्लैरिटी, कंफ्यूजन सब जगह घूम रहा है. After the second step is over, when we get them to see their transcripts, we start culling out important phrases and words from there. And we start to draft sentences which are basically focused on our internal framework, which says specificity, actionable, and result oriented, impact. For example, the same person who was talking about handled a team started by saying, managed a team of 5 people over a span of 6 months, led a marketing campaign growing the top line by 200 crores, resulting in promotion and personal satisfaction. It's important for you to acknowledge that you are happy. Why only are we doing work for others? We should also do work. We should also feel happy when we do work. Na yaar? So that's very, very important. Another person who was doing financial modeling valuation came back saying, evaluated 5 companies, found that the stock price varies from X to Y, recommended that we should invest in the following stocks. Imagine a finance professional not being able to make a recommendation. That's a hard one. Because people are looking up to the finance people and saying, batao. In operations, you work with a lot of problems with vendor management. So one person had written that they'd worked globally on vendors, but I couldn't understand what was the problem, what was the action, and what was the result. So finally, once we did this whole storytelling thing and taking out specific elements out of it, we came to the conclusion that this format of doing things works. Storytell on a recorder, convert it into a Word document, take out keywords and phrases, and make sure that you fit the career earth framework: specific, actionable, and relevant. Now, the important thing for you to understand is that if you are having a challenge in doing it, then ask for feedback and advice from people. The SAR framework is very important. Now, some people try to substitute that with AI. Well, I mean, come on. If AI could tell your whole story, then why do we need a resume? We perhaps could go to AI and say, tell me about Tushar Jarohar, right? So that is not something which I advocate. But I would really feel that you can use AI to tighten the words and phrases, make it more sounding more actionable, more relevant. Tell your story. Tell a compelling story. Don't put random facts there. 37% of the resumes don't have a story. They get rejected because they don't align with the role. So in a nutshell, let me just do a quick recap for you. The first thing is tell your story, record it. The second thing is transcribe it on a piece of paper, take a printout if needed. It's about your life, it's about your career, it's not a joke. And after that, look at what needs to be improved. How do you phrase it in proper sentences with the right SAR framework around it? Avoid using too much of AI. I'm not saying don't use it, just limit it. And then ask for feedback. And the feedback should be that people should ask you that if you have to narrate your story today without this resume, how would you do it? And when you narrate that story, the same bullet points should be in your language that you put in the resume. That is when your resume is about you and it is not about somebody else, or it is not an incomplete resume. And that is the success story which has helped more than 25,000 students over the last 25 years achieve success. Took me a while to understand it, took me a while to put it together on this video, And I really feel that if you should subscribe to Career Earth if you want to get more information. And come to us, get help if required. We are here to help you. Career Earth is about giving you direction, whether it's your resume, it's your career, or it is the purpose of your life.